Christmas is all about.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Makayla, and as you can see from the title, today we're going to be doing yet another holiday eyeshadow look. I was feeling red, so let's get them red. Last eyeshadow look we did green, so I mean we're just gonna go down the line at this point. So before we get into the video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like button, and the post notification button so you'll be notified when I post my next video. And I think that's it. Let's just get into the look. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, I don't know where this look is going, and I was going to tag or put in the description about the palettes I'm going to be using, but I feel like that's going to be annoying because I'm going to be using more than one palette, just because I don't have one palette that has all the colors that I need in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tell you what type of color you need, that way you can use your own palettes, because I feel like anybody can create this look. I'm going to go into this red shade right here, and I'm going to apply that into my crease. A mirror to look at. So I'm applying this into my crease with a fluffy brush, as y'all can see. It's giving very much pigment. I like that. I'm gonna be putting it in this outer V as well. This is just gonna be the color we're gonna start off with. I was gonna say transition color, but at this point, I really don't know what we're doing, like I said, so we're kind of winging it. But I feel like this is a good color, because I like to start off light and then put a darker color down, so then it'll give like that gradient effect. That's what I like, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so now that I've been in that shade out, I'm gonna go into my crease now with a darker brown. I'm just gonna focus this on that outer V first. It's not giving me what I want, so I'm gonna get a darker brown. In case anyone is wondering how deep of a brown I'm talking about almost black. Yeah, there we go. So now I'm gonna try and darken this up. I wanna blend this into the crease. I'm just packing. I'm not really gonna blend with this brush because I don't like it. This is a good packing brush, and I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Oh baby, yeah, this is a really dark brown, so be careful. So I'm gonna do it just like that, and it looks a freaking mess. But yeah, now I'm gonna blend this out with the same brush that I used for the first red shade, and I'm just gonna blend it out. I just wanted to give it some depth with it, which it did. Blend, blend, blend. Same thing on this side. I just don't feel like digging for it. So I'm just blending. And then after this, we're gonna go back into that same red shade just to, make sure we're not losing that color. I literally just tap my brush into that red, and then I'm just gonna, see how that did? Same thing on this side. Just tap it, give it back the color, that vibrantness. Period. So now I'm gonna go in with this red shimmery shade. It looks like this, and I'm not sure if I want to focus this on the outer corner, the inner corner, the cut crease, or if I want to do like a halo eye. I think I want to start it as a halo eye first, and let's just see what happens. So I'm just gonna start right here, and there's fallout, so I'm gonna spray my brush. Going back in with that same color, I'm just gonna, yeah, that's better. Put it on my lid. It's way better, I like that. It's a really pretty color too. And I think I do want to do a halo eye, just because, why not? So I'm just gonna bring this over about here, and this here, up to the middle of my eye. Ooh, I like that. Same thing on this eye. Just gonna blend it. Or not really blend it, just place it on my eye because it's not even blended at all. Place it on my eye, down to here, bring it all down the side. Because when I blended that darker brown into my eye, it created more of a burgundy shade. I'm just going in with a burgundy here. Whoops, this burgundy. And I'm just gonna blend that, use that to blend out the corners. Or like kind of just place it on the corners of my eye. I told you I was gonna be using a lot of different palettes, so like you're probably like, what the break? But yeah, I'm just gonna use that to blend this. And voila. I like that. I'm feeling it. I like that a lot. And then I'm gonna go in with the shimmer again just to blend the edges. But like you see how that burgundy gave that deep, the contrast, it deepened it. And then with that same brush, you know, just pull the sparkles out a little bit so we can look like it's faded, cause we faded, baby. And period. Okay, so now you can go in with what the with sparkle, with whatever. Okay, I give up. With whatever light shade you want to go in with. Personally, I'm just gonna use this lighter shade in this palette because it's right here in front of me. So I'm literally just gonna grab this gold color. This one I'm gonna put my tear right here. I should have sprayed my brush, but it'll work. Period. See how it's just dazzling? I love that. I'm gonna wipe this falling off my face, I promise. Oh yeah. Giving the girls rich. The name of the shade is rich, so I'm giving the girls rich. And then I'm gonna take that burgundy shade and that red that we used first to just blend out my bottom lashes. I mean my bottom lash line, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so what I will say is that like sometimes this look is just not appealing. Like it makes your eyes look like weird, like you're tired or something. So I am gonna take some brown and mix it in here to give it a smoky look. So it doesn't look so like freaking scary. And then I'm gonna add lashes and mascara, and we'll come back with the completed look. Okay y'all, so this is the final look. I just added like a more pinky nude lipstick on top of the nude that I already had on. I didn't want to do red, one because I am very picky with when I decide I want to wear a red lip. It has to be a special occasion because I don't know, I just don't like bold colors on me. That's just my personal preference. If you can pull it off, then do it, because I mean I feel like it would be really cute. But yeah, this is the final look. This lash is acting up, so if you can see it, because I know you can see it, because I can see it, and I can see you seeing it, just ignore it. But if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs it up, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification button so you can be notified when I post my next video, and comment down below under the video you want to see. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.